Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to flip images on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already of course done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can check out some videos. We have stories where you can check out videos of your friends, stories of your friends. We have the camera, and in the bottom left corner, we have chats and locations. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and flip images on Snapchat. So first of all, you need to open the Snapchat and take a photo or select one from your camera roll. When you did that, tap on the photo to open the editing screen. And then when you have opened the editing screen, tap the three horizontal lines or the pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then select the rotate icon, a square with an arrow to flip your images. You can keep tapping to rotate this image. So basically you just need to do this, and here you can do it. As you can see, you have that button. You just need to go and save your changes by tapping this sticky icon. If you want to mirror flip an image, you might need to use your phone built-in photo editor before uploading it into Snapchat. So guys, this was everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.